But like, I teach Irish here now in Inishbeo to adults who come and do courses, and to people who move to the island who obviously moving to the Gaeltacht, they're interested in learning the local language and dialect. And like I always say to them, you'll be learning your whole life. Like learning a language is like learning a musical instrument. You will always be learning, you'll always be improving. And it's just a journey to be enjoyed, but it's also hard work. And I have like, when people say to me now, they're like, oh my gosh, so the chuid Gaeilge ar raibh. I'm like, yeah, I've been like slaving away at it for a long time.
That's not accidental. Like, yeah.
It is hard work. Like you sort of need to be quite dedicated. It's not an accident. I've done an awful lot of courses. Like I went and I did my undergrad in UL and I came out and I remember being so disappointed. I was like, I thought my Irish would be so much better after doing a degree.
Did you study it? You studied at degree level then at undergraduate?
Yeah, I did. And I still felt coming out that I could be a lot better. And I went working then in media straight out of college. And even then I did so many Gael Culture courses, kind of intensive grammar courses just to really sharpen up. And even then, like I was writing, you know, I was working, like I had a really good career in the media, living my life as Gaeilge, and I was like, I'm still not there. I'm still not sharp enough. And I was living in Inishbeo and I was like, I'm still not quite where I'd like to be. So actually, you know, I went and I did then a diploma Iarchéime in NUIG in 2022 in translations. And I consider myself to be quite good now after all of that. At Obervor, Oberhanibuf, at Obertrua, definitely.